Hey, be careful.
Oh, I'm sorry.
You did not look.
I know. I was looking at my tablet.
You must look before you cross the street.
Yes, I understand. I'm sorry.
And take off your headphones when you walk.
Yes, I will take them off next time.
You did not hear my car. That is dangerous.
Yes, I did not hear anything. I was playing a game.
You must be careful. This is not safe.
I know. Thank you for stopping.
It's okay. But next time, look and listen.
I will. I will not use my tablet when I walk.
Good. I am happy you are okay.
Thank you. I will be careful.
Good. Have a nice day.
You too. Goodbye.
Jason, I'm late.
What happened?
I have a meeting at 9. It's already 8:40.
Do you have everything?
I can't find my keys.
The car key?
Yes, the car key and the house key.
Did you check your bag?
Yes, they are not there.
What about the kitchen?
I looked. Not there.
Wait. I saw them on the sofa last night.
Really?
Let me check. Found them. Here.
Oh, thank you. You saved me.
Do you need help with your things?
Yes, please. Take my bag to the car.
Okay, let's go.
You're the best, Jason.
Good luck with your meeting.
Thanks, sweetie. Bye.
Bye, Mom. Drive safe.
Hello, sir. How can I help you?
Hi. Can I have some water, please?
Yes, of course. Would you like cold water or room temperature?
Cold water, please.
Here's your water.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Would you like anything else?
Do you have juice?
Yes, we have apple juice, orange juice, and mango juice.
Can I have orange juice, please?
Sure. Here you go.
Thanks again.
No problem. If you need anything, just press the button.
Okay, thank you. You're very kind.
Thank you, sir. Enjoy your flight.
I will. Have a nice day.
You too. Hello, welcome on board.
Hello. This is my first flight.
Oh, I see. Don't worry. I can help you. Can I see your boarding pass, please?
Yes, here it is.
Thank you. Your seat is 18C. It is on the left side, next to the aisle.
I don't know where it is.
No problem. Follow me. Here it is, seat 18C.
Thank you. Can I put my bag here?
Not under the seat. Let me put it in the overhead bin. There we go.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Please sit down and fasten your seatbelt like this.
Okay. Is it tight enough?
Yes, it's perfect. Very good.
What time do we arrive?
We arrive in Dubai at 5:30 p.m.
Will we get food?
Yes, we will serve a meal and drinks soon.
Great. I'm a little nervous.
It's okay. Just relax. If you need anything, press the call button.
Thank you. You are very kind.
You're welcome. Enjoy your flight.
Hello. Are you going to Dubai?
Yes, I am. What about you?
Yes, me too. It's my first time.
Oh, really? That's exciting. You'll love it.
I hope so. I've heard a lot about Dubai.
It's a beautiful city. Very modern and clean.
Are you from there?
No, but I live there now. I work in Dubai.
That's nice. What do you do?
I work in a hotel. I'm a receptionist.
Wow, that sounds interesting.
Yes, I like meeting people from many countries.
I'm going for vacation. I'll stay 1 week.
That's great. What do you plan to see?
I want to visit Burj Khalifa and the Dubai Mall.
Good choice. You should also visit the beach and the fountain show.
Yes, I saw videos. It looks amazing.
You'll enjoy it. Don't forget sunscreen, it's hot.
Thank you. I brought light clothes.
Smart. Where will you stay?
In a hotel near the marina.
That's a beautiful area. You'll love the views.
I'm really excited now.
You should be. Dubai is a great place to explore.
Thank you for the tips.
You're welcome. Have a great trip. Excuse me, where can I find a taxi?
Right outside, sir. Just follow the signs that say taxi.
Thank you.
Hello. Welcome to Dubai. Where would you like to go?
Hello. I want to go to my hotel. It's called Sunrise Marina Hotel.
Okay, sure. Do you have the address?
Yes. Here it is on my phone.
Perfect. That's about 25 minutes from here.
Great. How much will it cost?
Around 80 dirhams, depending on traffic.
Okay, that's fine.
Is this your first time in Dubai?
Yes, it is. I'm here for vacation.
Very nice. You'll enjoy it. The city is full of amazing places.
Yes, I want to visit Burj Khalifa and the beach.
Good choices. If you like shopping, you should also go to Dubai Mall.
Yes, I will. Thank you.
You're welcome. Would you like some water? It's hot today.
Yes, please. Thank you so much.
No problem. We'll reach your hotel soon.
The city looks beautiful.
Yes, especially at night with all the lights.
I can't wait to explore everything.
Enjoy your stay. If you need a taxi again, here's my card.
Thank you. That's very helpful.
Great job following our English lesson today. You did well to listen and practice so much. Keep practicing because it helps you get better. Every time you learn, you are closer to speaking English really well. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more lessons. Your support helps us to create more helpful content for you. See you next time and happy learning!